he loves roast beef and hates pepperoni. Camel Tony, he loves roast beef and hates pepperoni.
Camel Tony loves sandwiches with roast beef. Camel Tony doesn't mind if you queef. He sits at the back of your yoga class. When you're in downward dog, he looks at your ass. Camel Tony likes to visit the beach, and he loves everything flavored with peach. He'll pick up tampons when he shops. Wherever he goes, he brings a bucket and a mop. Camel Tony loves to eat lima beans, and he doesn't care if your vagina's clean. Camel Tony has a cute little beagle. Camel Tony can teach you how to kegel. Camel Tony loves eating pie, and he never leaves a good woman dry. Camel Tony hangs out in coffee shops. Camel Tony loves to munch box. Camel Tony enjoys taking flowers. Camel Tony doesn't care if you shower. Camel Tony will always pet your kitty, but he won't pay any attention to your titties. Camel Tony is available on Amazon.